Mahaprabhu said to Shuklambara, you are my impoverished, which means poor, devotee, birth after birth. You have no desire to enter family life and become a householder. You beg alms door to door as a brahmachari and offer me whatever you collect. You are a nashtik brahmachari, a lifelong celibate. You are free from even the mundane false ego of the grihastas and vanaprasthas. Being situated in Paramahamsa Dharma, you have accepted the occupational duties of a renounced akinchan. Therefore you are a fully surrendered Tridani Bhikshu, or Vaishnava Sannyasi. You have been able to fully offer me all endeavors of your body, mind and speech. I always long for your offering. You have no preoccupation in enjoying anything other than offering everything to me. Therefore I forcibly took everything away from you, and as a result you are poor. Dwarakara Maje Kuda Kari Kailon Tora Pasarila Kamala Darila Hastamora. Did you forget that I forcibly ate your broken rice in Dwarka? Kamala, the goddess of fortune, caught hold of my hand. Eita Bali Hastadiya Julira Bitar Mushti Mushti Tandula Chivaya Vishwambar. After speaking this way, Vishwambar thrust his hand into the bag of Shuklambar and took out a handful of uncooked rice and began eating it. So obviously the Shuklambar must be Sudama. In Krishna Lila, Dwapara, he came as Sudama, a poor Brahmin, and in that life he was a Grihastha. And Krishna blessed him. Krishna blessed him. In Gaur Lila, they wouldn't have to listen to it, wouldn't have to become a henpecked Brahmin. Because in Krishna Lila, there's a henpecked Brahmin. He was quite peaceful. What does his wife say? Baba, I want a sari. Baba, I want some bangles. Baba, we don't have much money. We're not collecting very much money. Baba, your friend, remember your friend Krishna? He has a big palace in Dwarka, 16,000 palaces. Baba, why don't you go beg some money from your rich friend? And he thought, oh my God, my wife is really putting me in a bad position here. So Sudama was thinking, if I ever come in Krishna's Leela again, oh my Lord, please pray, I pray to you that I become a Nashtik Brahmachari, so that I don't have to get married and picked on by my wife. I was so embarrassed, I had to go all the way there. And then you forcibly took that chipped rice which she gave me to give to you. And then even when I was there, I actually forgot. I was so overwhelmed with our loving remembrances of our pastimes together in Gurukul at Ujjain, and just bathing in the bliss of your loving association and friendship, that I forgot all about the purpose and my intention of coming to Dwarka. I walked for 2 months to get there on my feet. I was so tired, and you bathed my feet and you worshipped me and you treated me so lovingly. I completely forgot my wife's pushing me and prodding me to go there. And I forgot to even ask you. I didn't even ask you about my wife's request about give us some money. And then when I returned to my village after 2 months, I said, oh my God, where am I? And this beautiful lady came out of this palace. It was erected on my former home site. And she said, Sudama. And I said, who's this? It was my wife. She became like the goddess of fortune. And my bungalow, my straw, my thatched roof cottage turned into Rastrapati Bhavan. It was huge, and all maid servants, and I didn't know what was going on. So this apparently is, this Sudama was a henpecked Grihastha Brahmin. Poor Brahmin, he became a poor brahmachari Brahmin in Gaura Lila.